Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Thunderbird tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to clear the cache in Thunderbird. This is actually quite simple. First I open Thunderbird and now I click on the three bars at the top right and go to Settings. I now stay at General and scroll down until I got to Network and Disk Space. Under Disk Space I can now see the current size of the cache. I can also clear the cache directly by clicking the button. I also have the option of clearing the cache on shutdown by ticking this box. I can also activate and specify that the cache may not exceed an individual size, such as 250 megabytes. Or as a last option, that folders could be compressed if an individual amount of disk space can be saved. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.